Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss terminals and tills management. Terminals management. Let's start with Spirit VPOS terminals. From the table screen, click on the menu button. Then go to System Management and select Terminals. This will take you to the Terminal Management screen, where you can view all details related to your terminals. To create a new terminal, click on the Create New button. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter terminal name, machine MAC address, and terminal status. After entering the details, click on Save. Your terminal will be added successfully. You can also edit an existing terminal. Simply click on the Edit button. Update the required information. And then click Update. Your terminal details will be updated. Tills management. Now let's move on to Spirit VPOS tills. Under System Management, click on Tills. This will open the Tills Management screen, where you can view all details related to your tills. To create a new till, click on the Create New button. A pop-up will appear where the till number is generated by default. You only need to select the terminal and location. And then click Save. Your till will be added successfully and will appear in the list. You can also check the terminal details by clicking on the terminals. You can also edit a till by clicking on the configuration option. At the end of a session, you can click on Close Cache to close the till. And that's it. This is how you can efficiently manage terminals and tills in Spirit VPOS.